Alright guys, I'm here with the new Sigma 100mm 1.4 Bokeh Master on a D850 Nikon. Today had a lot of comments, questions about low light and autofocus. So as you can see here, we're in a dark room, and then I'm going to shut the blinds here. We're a little bit past sunset, and so we're going to see how it performs. Let's take it away. Alright, I'm down about one stop at ISO 3200 with my shutter speed at 200. And I just want you to hear the autofocus going from one candle to the next. Okay, so we had some searching there. All right, we're gonna make it a little darker. So you can see here, it's pretty darn dark. There's no autofocus assist lamp on my camera. Got some searching there. Okay. I'm going to the sides of my camera. Now I'm going to try to use my cross focal. Okay. So we do got a little bit of focusing. Doesn't seem too bad, consistent with some other lenses. So it does a little bit of searching, but it searches really, really fast. Pictures look sharp and spot on. We're looking at high ISO here. Fast shutter speed. I mean, I think in this situation you should be fine. You know. All right, well, I'll let you look at the sample pictures. You guys are more than welcome to download. Please have any feedbacks. I think it performs really, really well given how low the light is. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. See you later.